John 3:3 is very straightforward. I don't think there's any surprises here. Kai pas ha echon tein elpide tautein epautu hagnidze heauton kathos ekenas hagnas estin. And here you have your indefinite construction, substantival participle with pos, and every individual who has this hope, remember, this word is in the predicate position when it's functioning as an attributive, this hope, in him, and the auto most likely is Jesus, hagnidze heauton, purifies himself. And the question is, what's the subject of hagnidze? Well, it's this whole thing, isn't it? It's the whole phrase. So it's the one who has this hope in him purifies himself, just as that one who is the auto is pure. The phrasing is very straightforward. And the one who has this hope in him, and then I think I'm just going to put this on its own line because I want to show what's going on. Punctuation, new line, and it's pretty straightforward. So we want to find a way to indicate that hagnidze heauton is the main verb and its direct object, and then this previous thing is the whole subject. I don't really have a way of doing that in phrasing, but what I can do is pull this in a bit and perhaps mark it. There's your subject, and just going with that verb. But then this next one is more straightforward. It's talking about that we purify ourselves. Well, let's talk about that purification. It's going to be just as that one is pure. So it's a good example of a demonstrative functioning, in essence, as a personal pronoun.